What's up, what pop, y'all? It's your girl Sultry Accessory, your go-to channel for personal branding, digital design, and customization tips. So today, I'm just going to show you guys my behind the scenes of how I do thumbnails, because I have to get some thumbnails done for these videos. Okay, future me is speaking, and I had no idea my cat was behind me. Ooh, ready for you. I'm ready for you. Ready for you. Thumbnail file that I've been using. Let me show y'all a strategy of what I actually do to like make my thumbnails go quicker. Okay, so one way that I make my thumbnails go quicker is to group all of my thumbnails like together. Okay, so that way I have all the same fonts. I don't have to go looking for fonts. Just copy them, click them over, and move them over to a blank canvas, whatever. So I have those fonts so that my brand can be consistent. Okay, y'all know we talk about brand consistency here. We talk about brand identity. Boom. So is for my website creating series, and then also I'm gonna have an iPad aesthetic series, and then I'm gonna have like a YouTube branding series, and then I'm going to have, what else series am I gonna have? I'm also gonna have a Procreate Draw With Me series, which I kind of already have. Procreate Draw With Me series, which is basically kind of ties into the YouTube branding. Okay, you are looking to be a YouTuber, have playlists of your series, and that way people will want to watch your video back to back to back to back to back to back to back, and it'll generate binge watching. I am a brand website design series, and then I'm just gonna grab a picture of myself. So you always want to take photos of yourself. Make sure you have them for your thumbnails, so you don't have to constantly take pictures of yourself. So we're gonna call this I Am a Brand website design series, and then I'm gonna put like episode 1. Okay, yeah. Episode 1. I love how this looks, and then I actually really do enjoy it. I think I'm gonna do it like this, but by the way, I do use Canva Pro. Then like I'm gonna search designer. Oh, that's kind of cool. Oh, let me see this. Oh my gosh, I like that. Okay, hold on. Position. But this looked like the one for the second one. Okay, so this is gonna be episode 2 then. And then I'm gonna make this, I'm gonna duplicate this. Duplicate page. Boom. So I have 2 thumbnails made already because I just duplicated it. And then, so this will turn into episode 1. Ooh, what's this? Okay, I need something pink. Okay, so y'all know how I talk about keeping your brand's colors and your brand's consistency. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to elements. This is why it's so useful to use Canva, because that way you're not like looking for elements over and over again. So you can go to your recently used tab, and you can scroll down and see what you've used before, and that way you can be on, you know, brand, and it may have like on your website and stuff like that, so people can remember who you are. Familiarity is key to building trust when it comes to creating a brand. Okay, I like this galaxy thing. I like how that looks. Oh, that's awesome. So you go hit some duplication, and you have a series that talks about the same thing, and then people can know like, okay, this is that topic. I watched this episode. Okay, here goes another episode. And then you're not taking all day to like create thumbnails. Okay, you got your brand colors, your brand fonts, and images that you already have in your image library when it comes to creating content packaging. I call it content packaging, which is basically like your thumbnails, and people may not do this. Some people just don't care about design and all that, but I do, because I'm a designer. Okay, I'm an accessorizer. Okay, so I have back here, now I'm with a laptop that's showing you the color theory, because we're going to be talking about color theories and why you pick certain colors for your brand. And then what else am I gonna do? And then I'm gonna also get the mouse again. But I think I'm gonna make the mouse. I think I'm gonna make the mouse a different color or have it to have like a tint or something, just so it doesn't look like the last ones. You know what I mean? Just give it a little bit something different. So that's how you make quick, fast, easy thumbnails. All right, let's make the third one. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to duplicate this one. Duplicate. And then I'm going to say thumbnail design. And then I'm going to use this photo over to my canvas like so. And then all of this, I designed my thumbnail. Y'all see that? Y'all see that? Isn't that cool? No, that looks kind of crazy. Thumbnail design series. This is not going to be I am a brand. This one is going to be named I am a. Okay, because it's 4:30. And sometimes you just want the rest of the day to do whatever it is that you want to do. That's cool. I like that. All right, boom.
It is 3 thumbnails in under 28 minutes. And it usually takes me like 1 thumbnail to make it in 28 minutes.
So, boom. We got 1 thumbnail, we got 2 thumbnail, and we got 3 thumbnail. Boom, boom, boom. This one look a little plain. But anywho, y'all, I'm going to tweak this. But I see y'all in my next one. I hope this video was super helpful for you. In the comments below that you want to know more about thumbnails. What is it you're missing with thumbnails? Canva playlist videos. But of course, it's digital design. So I'll be showing you guys how to customize. Make sure you guys subscribe to the channel. Watch the playlists. Okay? And I'll see you in my next one. It's your girl, Saturday Stephanie. Some rats and I was still got them cats in the hood, call it give and go. Keep a nigga, man, bitch in a figure 4. Let me fuck when I want, I just come and go. Man, these reckons too deep for these skin.